Well, it's a boring day. We get stuck changing filters. Filters and belts. Well, we got 6 rooftops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mikey's working on one rooftop right now. Putting it back together, getting the filters and belts going. Just commercial maintenance. Coils are clear. Don't even have to touch the coils. They're clean as can be. They're actually at Border Patrol. So in the winter, last winter, we did 3 heat exchangers up here. This one, that one, and this one right here. That one was fine. Just a boring maintenance day. Didn't do much today at all. Alright guys, we'll see you on the next one. Give me a thumbs up.